Hello guys, this is Runway Tech. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can decrease Twitch stream delay. By default, there is a 5-10 minute stream delay in Twitch. It's because of the time while you stream to the Twitch server, then the Twitch server broadcasts to the platform, and lastly, when the individual viewers can see the video, there is a called transit time between them. But there's a solution for that in Twitch called low latency mode. This Twitch function gives you a boost, so the response time between the server and the viewer is reduced. So let's go and enable this function in Twitch. Let's go at the top right corner under your profile picture and select Creator Dashboard. After that, open up Setting tabs at the left panel and select Stream option. In the middle of the screen, you will find the low latency mode option. After you clicked the low latency mode, you're ready to go. Is there any way to stream with no delay, or why you should use it? In quick, probably you don't need it, but why you should? With the best internet speed and the nearest location, you can reach about 2 or 5 seconds stream delay, but you can be in San Francisco and your viewers can be in London. This amount of time is unbelievable. Also, you can get the donations as well at the same duration. However, as we mentioned in the beginning of the video, in events and tournaments you should set this about 5 to 10 minutes. Probably not because of the stream snipers or anything, but because of the moments that you can cut if any bad skin or issue happened. I hope this video helps you. If you want more detailed version of these settings, go to the runawaytech.com website. Bye.